Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the stand on your new Sceptre C25 curved gaming monitor. If you're interested in this particular monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's get this thing set up. First thing you have to do is assemble the stand itself. It comes in two pieces. We have the neck piece and the base plate. Basically, it's just going to line up just like that, and you're going to take two screws and fasten everything in place so then it can stand upright. So let's go ahead, let's do that right now. We have this bag labeled base screw here. There's 3 screws in it. We will use 2 of them to attach both of these pieces together. So we have both screws attached right here. Everything's firmly connected together. Our next step is to attach the base unit to the back of the monitor. We're gonna line it up just like you see right here, and we're gonna drop in the one included neck screw into the back of the stand right there and fasten this screw in place. It's also a Phillips head screw. All right, you'll see that we have it firmly attached right there. The last thing we need to do is to take this cover and gently press it in place. And now we have our monitor fully set up with its stand. This is a very basic stand. You'll see that we don't have any height adjustment, swivel, or rotation. The only thing we can do with the stand is adjust the tilt back or tilt forward or have it somewhere in between.